In front of me is Motorola Razr 60, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, you need to launch Settings and scroll to tap on Apps section available here. Now, scroll again to click on Cloned Apps and click on plus icon next to any available app you wanna clone. You can also click on it on the left and select Create option over here. Whatever you decided, just wait, and when you see those beans next to your apps, that means that they were successfully cloned. So go back to check them out. Now, if you wanna, you can always delete any of your cloned apps by holding one, here, and uninstalling it like you would any other app, or going back to the same section of your settings and tapping on bin icon next to the chosen one, then hitting OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!